Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Annabelle and thank you for tuning in once again. So I'll be talking about skincare today. I'm here to share my powerful three secrets to strengthening your nails. I know a lot of us have issues with our nails. It's soft, it's brittle. I also had that same issue until I discovered this secret. Please watch to the end of this video because my secret will be at the end of this video. I'm so excited. Let's get right into it. Before we dive into my secret, I would like to explain reasons to why we have brittle nails. There are so many reasons that can cause soft and brittle nails, but I'll just be breaking them down into five. And the first one is excessive exposure to water. Constant hand washing can strip the nails of its natural oil and cause it to dry and also make it fragile. Secondly, cleaning products, nail removal can also weaken the layer of our nails over time. And thirdly, we have a nutrient deficiency. Low levels of biotin, iron, or zinc are a huge cause of brittle nails. Your nails can't literally grow strong without these building blocks. The fourth one is aging. As we get older, natural keratin production slows down, leading to thinner nails. And finally, we have lack of moisture, especially during the dry or cold season. So if you're not moisturizing your nails, your cuticles, your nails will suffer too. This particular secret is rich in fatty acid, vitamin A, C, and E, minerals that nourish and protect your nails from damage and brittleness. It also promotes healthy growth, prevents splitting, which makes your nails look beautiful. If you're still watching, thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me on your screen, and please click on the notification so that you're notified anytime I drop something new. And please let me know in the comments if you've experienced brittle nails and how you solved it. Let's get right into the secret. Drum roll. And the secret is moringa, guys. I feel like moringa is not giving the credit it deserves at all. Initially, when I started using moringa, I started using it for a different reason. I bought it because I felt, not like I feel, I did my research and I saw that he had a lot of nutrients, and I didn't want to, you know, put so many things in my body. I needed something that I knew was going to cover all the nutrients I'll be needing now. So I did my research, and moringa was at the top of the list, and I made sure to talk to my physician, and I was given the go ahead to start using it. And when I started using it, like I started seeing results, my body, my whole system was okay. But then I started noticing, usually when my nails grows to a certain length, it just on its own cuts off, like nothing causes it, it just goes off, it doesn't grow past the particular length. But immediately I started taking moringa, I started noticing that my nails were really strong and firm. I don't really like my nails to be too long, so I usually file it to a certain length. But it's really firm, it's really strong, and like it looks beautiful, it looks really, really healthy. So I wanted to be sure. I didn't just want to conclude. Then I stopped the moringa tea, and then I did it for like a whole, I stopped using it for a whole month, and then I noticed that my nails became soft, and then I started taking it again, and I saw the difference. My nails became really, really strong. Please, I would like to advise that if you have any underlying issues, please, if you have any issues, illness, please make sure you speak with your physician before taking it. I'm talking to people that do not have any health issues. Please don't take this if you have any health issues. And for me, I don't even take this for long term. I do 7 days in, 7 days out. So if I'm taking it for a week, then I, pull back and stop for 1 week and then start again. That is how I take the tea. And moringa is perfect. What I do usually, I take it morning and night. I put it in a hot boiling water and allow it to simmer for like 3 to 5 minutes, sieve, and then I drink. That is how I take my moringa. And then I go ahead and have my drink. Cheers, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with me. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, so you can see and get more videos from me. Also turn on the notification so that you are notified when I drop something new. And also let me know in the comments what you want me to talk about next. I have so many natural secrets, natural remedies that I'm going to be sharing on this channel, and I'm so excited to go on this journey with you guys. I also have skincare tips videos on how to have a glowy skin on my channel, so please do well to also check them out. See you next time.